is just one of the most lifelike topwater baits I have ever seen in my life. Wings pulsate just by slowly pulling it. That's how I'm fishing.
Yep.
See how those wings pulsate and that tail falls right in line? That is just the coolest thing.
Just let everybody know that we're here.
Bob's got it. Oh.
Kind of not up close though, Bob.
Fishing the bird.
Whoa. Whoa.
Go, Sammy, go. Oh, right on the upper lip. Got him good. He ain't coming off. That was nice. Too, man. That's one of those open water things.
Open water. We're watching Bob work his bait, and old Alan open water ratfish or bird fishing. Excuse my verbiage.
Look where that fish is. We're going in after him, Al.
Keep him tight. Keep him tight,
Al.
Al.
Get him, Al. Okay, power off. You're on full drift. Let me know if you need reverse. What a shot. Reverse.